Hey guys, I'm showing you today this wireless microphone for iPhone. So this one is used like if you need to have some meeting or online presence or chat or video chat or something like that. It is very good for like virtual, comes with really nice case, and you can see that this is like the zipper case, and this is the receiver, this is the microphone cable and the manual. So in the unboxing, these are the things that comes in the package. Manual is in English, pretty easy to understand. So this one is the receiver that goes into the iPhone, and there is a charging thing that I will explain you later on. This is the USB-C cable that comes to charge the microphone. So this is a rechargeable microphone. So you just put in your micro C USB-C. You can charge it through the external battery pack or the USB directly. And this one is for the USB charging. So you can put your USB cable like lightning cable, and this will charge your mobile as well. So I'm just trying to show you the charging of the microphone, and you can see that it starts charging. So the light is on. So you can see that light is on and it starts charging this microphone. This will go into the iPhone and this will be clipped on. And this is the on and off button on the microphone. Once it's charged, you can just on and off. You see the blinking light. It will start pairing with the receiver. Here is the receiver. Once it's paired, the light is solid on both sides. So that's it, it's all set. If it asks for the accessory permission, you can just allow it and it's good to go. So just record it.
Hello.
I'm just trying to check.
The voice is now clear. Hello. Hello. The voice is now clear.
Pretty clear, and you can charge your mobile iPhone as well through this cable or the receiver while it's attached. It's pretty nice and easy, and carry bag to put everything in and just carry is as a pouch. Good handy tool.